The Java Virtual Machine, JVM, is the cornerstone of Java's write once, run anywhere philosophy, enabling Java applications to run on any device or operating system that has a JVM installed. It's a virtual engine that abstracts the underlying hardware and operating system, providing a uniform platform for running Java applications. Portability. JVM makes Java code portable across different environments. Performance. Advanced features like just-in-time, JIT, compilation improve the efficiency of Java applications. Security. By executing bytecode in an isolated environment, the JVM adds a layer of security against code from unknown sources. Memory management. Automatic garbage collection helps manage application memory, freeing developers from manual memory management tasks. How it works. Compilation. Java source code is compiled into bytecode by the Java compiler. Execution. The JVM interprets or JIT compiles this bytecode into machine code specific to the underlying hardware. Runtime. During execution, the JVM manages system resources, including memory, ensuring safe and efficient application performance. The JVM is not just a platform for executing Java code. It's a sophisticated tool that enhances performance, ensures portability, and provides a secure runtime environment. Its existence is why Java continues to be a popular choice for developers around the world.